In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel CSV file to your Wix website. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to share data such as event lists, contact information, or any type of tabular data directly with your website visitors. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily complete it on your own. First, we'll start by navigating to your Wix website editor. If you're not already familiar with this, you'll need to log into your Wix account and select the site you want to edit from your dashboard. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't done so already. Next, look for the Add button in the left-hand menu. This is your go-to section for adding new elements onto your web page. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up showing various options for different types of elements you can include on your site. Now we want to focus on adding a button, so click on the option labeled Button. Buttons are a great way to prompt user interaction, and they serve as a perfect call to action tool for downloading your CSV file. In the following step, scroll through the subcategories until you find Document Buttons. This is where you'll discover buttons specifically designed to facilitate document downloads. These make it simple for your site visitors to click and directly access your file. Once you've selected the appropriate button, search for an option called Excel or something similar. Clicking this will allow you to create a download button tailored to Excel files, ensuring that your site visitors will easily recognize it as such. The next steps involve uploading your CSV file. Click on the Upload Media button. At this point, Wix will prompt you to upload the file from your computer, so go ahead and select Upload from Computer. This action opens a file dialog on your operating system, enabling you to navigate to the location where your CSV file is stored. After you've successfully uploaded the file, you'll see an option to Add to Page. Click on it, and Wix will automatically place the button on your page with the link to your CSV file attached. You may need to adjust the button's placement or appearance to match your site's design. This ensures your website maintains its professional look and feel. And there you have it. You've now added an Excel CSV file download button to your Wix website. Remember, this button not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also enriches the experience of your visitors by giving them quick access to important data. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out Wix's support resources for more information.